He heard coughing from inside his closet, but he lived alone. This happened to a retired rodeo rider in Montana. Moved into a quiet cabin, just him and his dog. No drama, just coffee and coyotes. One night, he hears coughing coming from his bedroom closet. Not a little, "I got dust in my throat" cough. This was deep, raspy, like someone dying of regret and cigarettes. He swings open the door. Nothing there but boots and old jeans. He tells himself, probably just my lungs remembering the 80s. But then it keeps happening. Same cough, same time, 2:44 a.m. every night. He leaves a tape recorder. Next morning, he plays it back and hears the cough, followed by a whisper, "That's my shirt." He finds out a drifter died in that room 20 years ago, choked to death while trying to steal a shirt during a snowstorm. Now he sleeps with the closet nailed shut and buys all his shirts from Walmart. If that story made you shiver and smirk, hit like and subscribe for more haunted tales from the Wild West.